Hey everybody, I am here on Crooked Back Loop in Southern Shores, and I'm out previewing properties today for a client. They live out of the area, and this is just one of the things that I do for clients to kind of save them a little bit of legwork. I go out, I preview properties. A lot of times we can eliminate them or give them a thumbs up, and then my client can decide if they want to make the trip down. So we're going to go in, we're going to take a look, and I'm going to share this, and you'll have to let me know what you think about this property. So one of the things I want you to notice with this house is there are hurricane shutters. The vinyl siding is in really good shape. They also have a composite decking here. The house overall is very clean. We have tile flooring. We're gonna go up to the main level where the main living is to start out. Now, up just a few steps, we do have the primary bedroom. This room is huge, big, high cathedral ceilings. You've got your shower, tub, double vanities, and the water closet area. Obviously, the previous owner loved pink, but I feel like if you neutralize the wall color, the tile, even though it has a little bit of pink, you could definitely keep that from being super noticeable. Go up just a few more steps, and then you are up here in this large open concept living room, great room space. You've got your dining room area here, nice big deck with the grill out there. Lots of cabinetry. Now the center island is actually like a silestone type product. The outer perimeter is just a laminate. Again, if you neutralize some of this wall color instead of being the blue, you could definitely tone down some of the color in the tile floors. And this room, I would say, needs to be repainted anyway, because you can see how it's faded where they've had, you know, artwork and different things here because it was such a dark color. Now, when we're here on the entry level, you have a door going out to the backyard. We've got a nice laundry room space. This is all sheet vinyl flooring down here. Would be very easy to come in, take this out, put LVP flooring. Double vanities here, and a tub shower enclosure. And the bedrooms are nice sized. You've got double closets there, and a nice deck area again with the composite decking. Now, right off the foyer, there's actually a stairwell, and this goes down to your garage. A garage is something that we don't see all the time on the Outer Banks, and is definitely an added benefit. They do have a hot water heater and then a central vac down here. You can see the garage doors. And then this is just extra storage up there, but a nice way to really utilize lots of storage. Out here you can see they've been doing some work, but you do have your hot tub, really nice house next door, and a nice big pool area. As we are coming off the pool area, you've got your outdoor shower, you've got your space here for your different pool equipment, and then this is what's so awesome about this property. You've got this whole mother-in-law suite down here. So you've got your shower out here, cute little kitchenette, full-size fridge. This is all tile, so very low maintenance. You've got a closet, So if you have out-of-town guests coming in, this would be the perfect spot. If you wanted to turn it into like a rec room space off the pool, put a game table down here, you could, kids play space. There's just so many options. You could also rent this out if you wanted to offset some income or some expense. This would probably rent out for around $1,100, $1,200 a month. And that's the property.